everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will be showing you 8 tips and tricks on how to have an awesome 2018. And I'm very excited to show you guys. I actually do these tips myself and I thought that they would help you. I'm doing a new thing on my channel where I'm going to feature a comment in every video and you're going to be the BDUB of the week. If you're wondering what that is, people used to call me BDUB, which is like Blaire, Wilson, BW. If you decide to comment and use the hashtag BDUB, I will screenshot your comment and you might get in my video. If you are new here or this is your first time watching my videos, please feel free to subscribe. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. You guys, the most influential thing you can do, I personally think, is having a mood board, and this can be a vision board, inspiration, or even just a photo wall. You can really do whatever you like best. You can include photos, quotes, notes, trinkets, and any reminders of great times, and you just want to place those on a large foam board and make sure to place it somewhere that you will see every single day because you want to surround yourself with what you want in life. In 2018, let's all try and be a yes person. Don't let fear hold you back and imagine how many more experiences you'd gain if you said yes more often. And I'm obviously not talking about bad or harmful things, but situations that can improve your life by simply saying yes and giving it a shot. Alright guys, this year's theme is to be a girl boss. Goals are such a big part of the new year. Goals will give you direction and purpose, so make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. The Wheel of Life, which I'm drawing right now, is a great starting point. I actually used this to help customize my own personal categories, then I broke them down and elaborated. Planning is so important because it helps you make the best use of your time. I personally still love using a paper planner. I don't know, I just can't give it up yet. And I've been loving planning out my Instagrams using Planoly. It makes such a huge difference because it allows you to plan and organize your posts in a really easy way. You're not always worrying about what Instagram you're posting, you already have it planned. Journaling is something I did consistently about 2 years ago, and I absolutely loved it because it made me so intentional with my life because I was constantly reflecting on it. So in 2018, I would love to get back into this. And if it stresses you out having the pressure of making it all cute, it can be as simple as a spiral notebook or even a bullet journal. Where'd I put my card? Oh. Thank you. Worried out for nothing.
Have a great day.
Oh, and can I give this to the person behind me for their bill?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool, thank you. Yeah, of course. You guys were watching the card that we just helped pay for. Oh, did you take my straw?
I did. I had to borrow your straw, sorry.
And now we're just watching. Not that we can really see anything. They're gonna be like, what the heck? Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. I just have this little top from Target, my Nike Pros, and then I just have on my Nike sports bra. And when I'm actually in hot yoga, all I wear is my spandex and my bra. But this is just what I wear to the studio. And then I have on my Birks. Let's go sweat. I just have my yoga mat, which is by the brand Manduka, and I have my towel that goes on top, and then this is just my face towel that I use. You of course have to have a water bottle. I love using my Swell because the water stays cold for literally forever in here. I will have ice in here for a couple days. Definitely want to make sure you're hydrating for hot yoga. I normally drink one of these before, one during, and then one after. The days that I don't hydrate, you really feel it, and a lot of times you'll get really dizzy and just won't feel the best. So just make sure you're hydrating and drink lots of water.